Conjunctions are like the glue of language, holding our sentences together and helping us articulate complex thoughts. In Spanish, just like in English, conjunctions play a crucial role in connecting ideas, contrasting points, and adding details. If you're an English speaker learning Spanish, getting a good grasp of conjunctions can elevate your language game from basic to brilliant. Hello everybody and welcome back to Spanish with An Academy. Today we will focus on a very important topic, conjunctions, conjunciones. ¿Están listos? Empecemos. Let's explore some of the most useful Spanish conjunctions with some examples, okay? So we're going to start with the first one. The first one is and, y. Y. That's the most straightforward conjunctions in both Spanish and in English, okay? We use it to add one idea to another, just like and in English. For example, la profesora explicó la gramática y los estudiantes tomaron nota. A little tip. When y, the conjunction, comes before a word that starts with the e sound, you would change it to e, okay? It would smooth our pronunciation. For example, if I say, estudia biología e inglés, that e right there is the same as e, okay? It's the same as and, but we change it because of the pronunciation. Estudia biología e inglés. Our next conjunction would be o, or. O is used to offer alternatives, just like in English, or. For example, ¿quieres estudiar en la biblioteca o prefieres quedarte en casa? Okay, similar to e, o changes to u before a word that starts with an o sound. Okay, that's for smoother pronunciation. For example, se inscribió en arte u odontología. Okay, that u means or, right? But for smoother pronunciation, we're going to change it. Pero. Pero is perfect for adding a twist to your sentences, just like but in English. Quería estudiar toda la noche, pero se quedó dormido. So remember, we're going to use pero to contrast two ideas. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? Because. ¿Por qué is essential for explaining reasons and causes. Okay? Let's see. No asistió a clase porque tenía un examen en otra materia. Aunque. Aunque helps you introduce a contrasting or surprising fact. This is similar to although or even though in English. Let's see an example. Aunque no entendía la teoría, participó en la discusión. Sino. This is again one word, sino. We use it to contrast two negative statements. It's like but rather in English. For example, no estudió literatura, sino lingüística. Así que. So or therefore. Así que is used to express a consequence or a result. For example, no encontró el libro en la biblioteca, así que lo compró online. Okay, let's do a little pause here so I can get my daily streak on the An Academy language app. Okay, guys, our favorite language learning app has changed its name. So now you can find it under the name of Learn. Okay, so if you haven't done so, go right now to your Apple Store or to your Play Store and download the Learn app so you can start your language learning journey. You can learn Spanish, French, even German. Okay, so start this journey right now with the Learn app. So let's do it.
Let's quickly review what we have learned so far.
Okay, we need to drag the images into the correct buckets, and we have a piece of chicken, We have ketchup and we have salt. Okay, translate this to Spanish. A soup with chicken.
Una sopa sin pollo. Una sopa con pollo.
Perfect.
Una sopa con pollo.
Now we need to match the following. Without,
Sin.
with.
Con.
Perfect. Okay, translate this sentence to Spanish. An ice cream without sugar.
Helado. Un helado sin azúcar.
Perfect. Now we need to match the following. Jalapeños,
Jalapeños.
lemonade.
Limonada.
Very good. Okay, translate this sentence, okay? A hot dog with ketchup and without jalapeños, please.
Con. Sin. Un hot dog con ketchup y sin jalapeños, por favor.
Now complete this sentence. Pasta and pizza without jalapeños.
Y. Pasta y pizza sin jalapeños.
Perfect, that's a conjunction right there that we just learned. Y.
Una pizza sin jalapeños.
Where is the salt?
¿Dónde está la sal?
Now match the following. With chicken,
Con pollo.
without chicken.
Sin pollo.
Okay, identify the image.
Pollo.
Okay, now we need to translate this sentence. Una pizza con jalapeños, por favor.
Una pizza.
Ni. We're going to use this conjunction to negate two ideas at once, okay?